Okay, we're back. Actually, never left. We slept here last night. Today, the goal is, let me turn you around, to get that stack of plywood on that roof. Going in. All right, Jen, you're the driver.
Up, and away.
We gotta figure out what we need first. Maybe we should throw a couple sheets on. Let's throw a couple sheets on. All right, so now you gotta go up. That's not up, that's in. This is up. Up and then over there. If your foot didn't hurt, I wouldn't do it, but you know. You notice as you go out, it goes down. Is that close enough?
Yep.
Right, Chris, the writing goes up, so when we're on the roof, so that's why we put it this way. Two is good for now, yeah.
All right, going up, all hands in. What do I want to go up?
Whatever.
Go up.
I would go up first. Caleb found his place. Yeah. All right, that's good. Now just go down till you just touch the roof. Put one there in front of you. Try to get it right in the middle-ish. Okay. Now
This ain't too bad.
bring.
How far out is
It's got to go. This is got to go in here.
Okay.
So to you a little bit. See the top? Yeah, bring that end down. Oh, back to me. Awesome, right? All right, push that up and then drop it. You want to have a space for the clips. See how I got a space down here? Take them both. So this way, they go like this. With this.
Yeah, it's falling down big enough.
Make sure you don't have that situation. All right, now bring it down and get it in the clips. Herein lies the problem. As long as the rafters up here, I believe, they're much better. Like, we shouldn't hopefully have any problems with them lining up.
Yeah.
That's the dream. The squarer they go in, the better, you know. Yeah. All right, pull that end down. Caleb, joysticks are his thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, get the young kids on the joysticks. All right, so ½ inch up from here. We don't want to bend the string at all. No, we're going right up to it. So can you get that end up, Chris?
It's the same now. It's
Yeah.
pretty level.
Okay, then that's where we're going to put it. Okay, welcome back. So it's Monday morning, and after we had a great weekend here, saw us getting, I think we got 45 sheets of plywood up on the roof. But I'm here alone today, and the lift is here, and every day that lift's here costs me more money, so it's been a godsend. We've gotten so much work done with it, but My goal for today is to get as much work done with that lift as I can before it leaves. So I got 10 more sheets of plywood to get up there. Let me show you a little close up of what we came up with. We built this little contraption here, just some scrap 2x6s. And then back here, and then we just used some clamps to hold it down, hold it against the rig here. And then it sort of hangs off the front, and we screwed this one on, made this little shelf here. And what this is going to do is allow me, you see I got some plywood here. I got it facing the right way. This is going to be the exposed side, so I'll come over, load some sheets onto there from inside the basket, and then get up on the roof right where you need to be. And you know, you can move that basket around enough where you can maneuver the sheet. So just once you got the first row up, you know, it's just going to rest on it. So I don't know, I think I should be able to get this done today. And then the other thing I want to get done with it is, of course, I have to trim all the excess. That'll be easier with the lift. Trim the excess off the edges, and then get this soffit up here. Get this soffit at least, you know, down here, which I have to make that soffit. I have to rip it down in the table saw, no big deal. So get that soffit in. You know, the soffit on the front and the back I'm not so concerned with. I can do that off ladders because it's only 10 feet high or whatever. So that's the goal. Get these 10 pieces of plywood up, get this soffit, and get that plywood trimmed off. So I'll set you up, and we'll see how far we get. wrap this one up. The roof is done. Well, for now. You can see we got the shingle whale, it's called. Shingle whale roofing underlayment on. And we taped the seams with Tyvek tape. I put furring strips up along the edges, and we're on the fascia board on the front to hold it down. Just in the nick of time, we got a horrendous summer thunderstorm. The good news is the barn stayed dry, so hopefully this works for the summer until we get some metal on it. So it's coming together. Tomorrow we're going to do the soffits, and I think I'm going to get the sprayer, and we're going to get some wood preservative on this thing. So all right, we're going to end it here. So anyway, if you like the videos, hit the subscribe button, follow along in the rest of the barn build and the house build, and you know, hit the like button, give me a comment, let me know what you think of the build. If you have any questions or suggestions, put them down below in the comments. And do what you dig what you do. Life will be sweet. See you next time. So long.